Hello guys, so today I'm bringing you a fun website where you can make money online as an academic writer. Yeah, so for those of you who know book, you enjoy academic writing, like doing thesis, you're one of those people that your classmates used to run to in the university. They'll say, I come and help you with my project and all of these things. Do you know that you can actually make money doing that kind of project for different businesses? Yes. And if you've not heard it anywhere, really, whether you are a full housewife, a stay-at-home mom, maybe an employee looking for side hustles to just make some extra source of income in this year, now online writing is one of the easiest ways, and in fact one of the fastest ways for you to make money online as a freelancer. Yes, so you may want to start considering freelance writing. And so this website, like I said, is where you can get academic writing jobs as a freelancer. Enough of all the stories. Yeah, let me just show you the website and how you can begin to work on it. Yeah, so the name of this website is Job for Writers. I'm going to pop the link in the description so you can just click on it and go onto the website. Yeah, this is what their interface looks like. You will see freelance jobs for academic writers. When you scroll down, you, it says earn up to $12 per page based on the difficulty level and delivery date of your prayer. So you can earn like $12 per page. So if what you're writing takes like 10 pages long, now just multiply that by 10. I mean $12 times 10, that's $120, or $12 times 20 pages. Yeah, so that's just how it works. The schedule is flexible. You can set your own hours and work from home, from your bedroom, and you can also work on your mobile phone. Yeah, so just scroll down and read what they have. So regardless or depending on your expertise, whether you are in the science field or in the psychology, whatever, that will determine the kind of project you can take on this website. How to apply? For jobs, the first thing is you have to register, of course. So there's an application form you have to fill on the website, provide your ID and sample writings for evaluation. There's a test that you have to pass. Once your application is approved, you will receive a short writing assignment designed to demonstrate just your English proficiency. So this job is open to you regardless of where you are in the world. So whether you live in Nigeria, you live in India, Pakistan, Germany, wherever you are in the world, you can work this website as a freelance writer. And next, you have to sign an agreement, just normal agreement, not to disclose their work and all of these things as you work with them. So to sign in and to register, just click on apply now anywhere on the website. Click on apply now. So you see their application form so that you have to fill and submit. So your first name, fill it, fill your last name, your date of birth, just fill whatever it is they're asking you to fill. Enter your account details. From what I found, they also pay with wire transfer. They can pay into your account. Yeah, it's advisable if you have a domiciliary account so you can collect your money in foreign currencies. Okay, so put in your email, put your highest verifiable academic degree, whether you have a master's, you have a PhD, you have BSc, whatever it is. You say, have you worked for academic writing service before? Yes or no? You check that. What citation styles are you familiar with? Is it Harvard, Oxford, whatever it is? Just answer the questions and then select your preferred subjects. I would advise that you go for subjects that you are very familiar with, that you know very well, and you are sure of what you can deliver. Okay, then you set your available hours here. What time are you available? Select Monday. So if you select Monday, Tuesday, or maybe Monday to Friday, then you can now select your work hours, maybe from 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Just select it like that. You have to check the day first before you can now move the time around for your availability hours. You just do that for all the days you are available. Are you available for night calls, like to work at night? Are you available for urgent orders? So you want to check that, or maybe say yes or no if you're available. Then you can upload your valid photo ID here, upload your sample of work, upload your resume. I would advise that your resume is tailored to the job you're applying to. It's just normal advice. Whatever job you're applying to, your resume should be tailored to that job. So if you're submitting a resume for this job, make sure that it is tailored to academic writing. You understand what I mean? So once you have done all of that, then click on submit. And whatever information, whatever other things they will want you to do, or if there are other instructions. I believe after submitting, you will be taken to the test that you are supposed to do. And once you pass the test, then you can now be brought into their system, and then you can start getting jobs and delivering them as you want. That's really just it for job for writers. I checked some of the reviews online and they are quite nice, right? So you can give this a trial if academic writing is something that you have a flair for, that you have some interest in. It's just something you can do on the side to get some extra dollars for yourself. I mean, it's not a big deal, right? This is 2024 and freelancing is the way to go. Alright, so if this video has helped you, don't forget to click on a thumbs up, and perhaps you know somebody that this will be helpful for. They know how to write, they can do academic writing. Forward these videos to them so they can also be financially free for themselves in this year. I'm going to be bringing more your way on how to make money online on different websites and offering different skill sets. I'm a writer, and freelance writing really brought me into a level of financial freedom that I didn't think was possible. I will share more on that story next time. Alright, so on this channel, I teach how to make money online with your smartphone or on your laptop using your internet data, regardless of where you are in the world. And I also share freelancing tips that has helped me and that can also help you in your journey to making money online. So thank you so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget, how could I forget? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I must say thank you to you for always coming back, check out my videos. And if this is your first time here, you are so welcome to join the community. So until I come your way again in my next video, do have a great time. Bye.